Today we learn how centrifugal pump work with help of animation. Let's start the video. When we on the switch, motor use electrical energy. Using electrical energy, motor rotate the shaft of motor. Shaft of motor rotate the shaft of pump, or shaft of pump rotate the impeller which is inside the casing of the pump. So rotating impeller create negative pressure or vacuum in suction side of the pump. Then liquid enter into the pump from the suction side. Liquid enter from eye of the pump. Rotating impeller rotate water with him. In this way, rotating impeller rotate the water with him and create a centrifugal force into the casing. In this way, kinetic energy convert into pressure energy. In this way, liquid discharge from discharge nozzle of pump. So, in this way, a centrifugal pump create a centrifugal force with the help of rotating impeller, and rotating impeller convert kinetic energy into pressure energy. In short, centrifugal pump create the centrifugal force with the help of rotating impeller, and rotating impeller convert kinetic energy into pressure energy.